Have you ever pondered upon the fact that the trees thousands of miles away from you could be the reason you're breathing right now? Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical rainforest on Earth, and a veritable treasure trove of biodiversity. Stretching over a staggering 2.7 million square miles, the Amazon rainforest spans across 8 South American countries. It's a place where the air is thick with humidity, where the forest floor teems with life, and where the towering trees reach up to touch the sky. The Amazon is more than just an enormous forest. It's a vital component of our planet's health. This vast expanse of greenery acts as the Earth's lungs, inhaling carbon dioxide and exhaling life-giving oxygen. In fact, the Amazon rainforest is responsible for producing a whopping 20% of the world's oxygen. That's 1 in every 5 breaths you take, gifted to you by a forest thousands of miles away. But the Amazon's significance extends beyond oxygen production. It's a vital cog in the Earth's climate machine, helping to regulate global temperatures by absorbing vast amounts of heat-trapping carbon dioxide. Without the Amazon, our planet would likely be much warmer. The Amazon is also home to a staggering variety of life forms, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. From the smallest insects to the largest predators, the Amazon is a testament to the sheer diversity of life on our planet. It's a place where nature's creative genius is on full display, each species playing its part in the grand symphony of life. As we continue our journey through the Amazon, we'll delve deeper into this vibrant ecosystem, meet the indigenous tribes who call this place home, and discuss the threats facing this irreplaceable forest. But for now, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and importance of the Amazon. Imagine a forest thousands of miles wide, acting as the Earth's lungs. Did you know that 1 in 10 known species in the world lives in the Amazon rainforest? This vibrant, sprawling ecosystem pulsates with life, teeming with a dizzying array of flora and fauna. Now, let's dive in and explore the secrets of this remarkable rainforest. The Amazon's flora is a botanical wonderland, a vast, verdant tapestry woven from millions of different plant species. Towering trees form a dense canopy, providing shelter and sustenance for countless creatures. Underneath, a complex undergrowth thrives, where exotic flowers bloom and countless fungi flourish. These plants not only create a spectacular visual feast, but also produce 20% of the world's oxygen, validating the Amazon's title as the lungs of the Earth. But it's not just about the plants. The fauna is equally captivating. The Amazon is a symphony of life, with every creature playing its part, from the elusive jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, to the tiny poison dart frog. Each species adds a unique note to the melody. The capybara, the world's largest rodent, lounges by the riverbanks, while the vibrant macaw parrots paint the sky with their brilliant colors. Even the piranha, often misunderstood, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem. The Amazon is also a sanctuary for creatures that are found nowhere else on Earth. The pink river dolphin, with its unique humped back and long snout, is one of these exclusive inhabitants. The Amazonian manatee, another unique species, silently grazes on the abundant aquatic vegetation. This astounding biodiversity is not merely a spectacle, it's the lifeblood of our planet. The interconnected web of life in the Amazon is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of nature. Each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the rainforest and indeed the whole world. The Amazon, a true treasure trove of life, is home to an astonishing array of creatures and plants. It's a vibrant testament to the miracles of nature, a world teeming with life, waiting to be explored and cherished. Let us marvel at this incredible biodiversity and remember its vital importance to our planet. Ever wondered who the real guardians of the Amazon are? Well, let's dive into the heart of the Amazon forest, where life thrives in its most primal form. Here, we find the indigenous tribes, the true guardians and stewards of this lush habitat. These tribes, numbering in the hundreds, have made the Amazon their home for thousands of years, living in harmony with the forest and its myriad creatures. Their lifestyle is a testament to sustainable living. They hunt for food, fish in the rivers, and gather fruits and nuts from the trees, always taking care to not deplete these resources. They build their homes from the materials the forest provides, creating structures that blend seamlessly into the landscape. The indigenous tribes truly embody the principle of taking only what is needed. Now let's talk about their culture. Each tribe has its own unique set of traditions, languages, and ways of life. From the intricate body paint designs that tell stories of their ancestors to the vibrant festivals that celebrate the bounty of the forest, the indigenous tribes of the Amazon are a living testament to the rich tapestry of human diversity. Their symbiotic relationship with the forest is truly remarkable. They understand the rhythms of nature, the cycles of growth and decay, the patterns of the seasons. This knowledge, passed down through generations, enables them to live in harmony with the forest. They protect the forest as they would their own family, understanding that their survival is intertwined with the health and vitality of the Amazon. The indigenous tribes are not just inhabitants of the Amazon. They are its guardians, its stewards, its soul. They understand the value of the forest, not just as a resource, but as a living, breathing entity. They respect its boundaries, and in return, the forest provides them with everything they need to survive. The indigenous tribes, they live, breathe, and thrive with the Amazon, truly coexisting with nature. But is this haven of biodiversity safe and secure? Unfortunately, the answer is no. The Amazon, our planet's greatest treasure trove of life, is under threat. One of the major culprits is deforestation. Vast areas of this lush forest are being razed every day to make way for agricultural land, particularly for beef and soy production. In the past 50 years, we've lost nearly 20% of the Amazon, an area roughly the size of 2/3 of India. Climate change is another significant threat. A warmer climate can lead to longer and more severe droughts, making the forest more susceptible to fires. And these fires are not natural disasters. They are largely man-made, set deliberately to clear land for farming. The smoke from these fires releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, exacerbating global warming and further threatening the forest. But there's more. Illegal activities like gold mining and logging are also putting the Amazon at risk. These activities not only destroy the forest, but they also pollute the rivers with toxic chemicals, threatening the lives of the countless species that depend on these waters. And let's not forget the people. The indigenous communities who call the Amazon their home are also under threat. Their lands are being encroached upon, their resources stolen, their cultures disrupted. They are the forest's best defenders, yet they are often suffer the most. The threats to the Amazon are many and they are serious, but they are not insurmountable. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the capability to stop this destruction. We just need the will. The Amazon is not just a forest. It's a global treasure, a lifeline for our planet. It's a source of unimaginable biodiversity, a climate regulator, a provider of life-sustaining services. The Amazon is under siege and it needs our help. So, what can we do to protect this ecological marvel? The journey to conserve the Amazon is not a solitary one. It involves governments, organizations, and most importantly, individuals like you and me. Our choices, no matter how small they seem, can collectively make a significant difference. Efforts to save the Amazon are as diverse as the forest itself. From global initiatives to grassroots movements, the fight is on. International bodies like the World Wildlife Fund and Rainforest Foundation are working tirelessly to protect this treasure. They are preserving critical habitat, advocating for sustainable practices, and empowering the indigenous communities who call the Amazon home. And then there's the role of technology. Satellite imagery and drones are being used to monitor deforestation and illegal activities. These eyes in the sky are providing invaluable data to conservationists and helping to hold wrongdoers accountable. But what about us, the everyday citizens of this planet? Well, we too have a part to play. We can support these conservation efforts by donating to reputable organizations, raising awareness, and making more environmentally conscious decisions. That could mean reducing our consumption of meat, as the demand for beef is a major driver of deforestation, or choosing products that are Rainforest Alliance certified. Remember, our choices have the power to impact the market. If we demand more sustainable products, companies will be forced to adjust their practices. We can also use our voices to demand stronger environmental policies from our governments, because ultimately, the fight to save the Amazon is a fight for our future. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get involved. Let's educate ourselves and others about the importance of this ecological wonder. Let's be conscious consumers and let's use our voices for change. Together, we can ensure that the Amazon continues to be the lungs of our planet,